Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. It's your girl Nikira, and today's video is how I got this ginger hair. It's September, so me and ginger hair automatically go together. So right now I'm going in with the color cinnamon. You're gonna root your wig. So instead of just going in with the Cajun spice color just all throughout the hair, I like to root my wigs. It gives it a little dimension. It makes it a little darker at the roots. I feel like it flows better with my skin tone. So that's what I'm doing right now. Please take your time with this step. This is very, very important. I've done this trillions of times, so I can kind of speed through it, but I definitely recommend you guys taking your sweet ass time when it comes to rooting your hair. So that's what I'm just doing here. Now that the wig is rooted, the complete frontal of it, I'm going in with the Cajun spice, and I'm just going to apply that Cajun spice to the front part of my hair and then towards the back as well. But I really want it to be in the front because that is a darker shade of a reddish orange color, and I want that to definitely fall closer towards my face. I don't want the hair to be too bright of a ginger or too bright of an orange. So because this has a lot of that red undertone in it, I'm definitely placing that on the frontal area and towards the front of my face. Now here's the fun part. You're just gonna take the Cajun spice. There's another color by Adore called Spiced Amber and Paprika, and you're just going to randomly place that joker wherever you please. So right now this is still Cajun spice, and I'm gonna put that towards the roots of the back of the wig, and you'll see me just kind of just mix everything in. Again, it's gonna add dimension to it. It's gonna give you like that fire look. So right now I'm just mixing it in, and that I went in again with the Cajun spice, the paprika, and the spiced amber. I don't know how many times I have to say this one. Please pluck y'all wigs. It's 2023. I'm so tired of y'all walking around not plucking y'all wigs. Y'all are buying wigs that are considered pre-plucked and they don't fit your hairline. Yes, they may be plucked, but you need to go in and customize it some more. Tweeze this joker, please. I'm begging y'all. I'm begging you. Please customize your wigs. And if you can't do it, book me and I'll hook you up. So right here is a better view of the different dimensions of the color in the hair. So it's not just one even color. You have kind of like a highlight, low light situation in the different shades of ginger and orange. And that's, again, the spiced amber, paprika, Cajun spice, and cinnamon. Mixing all of those, there's a better view. You can see the different colors in my hair. And we did those colors, especially the spice amber, because that's a little color theory for you. Red, green, blue makes brown, so that's going to mute that orange and that red a little bit. And spice amber has that green undertone, and obviously blue and yellow makes green, so you get it. But anyways, a little color theory helped me get the perfect color. I'm just going to curl it, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay cute and stay blessed until the next video. Bye.